Welcome. In front of me is DELL Latitude 3520, and in this video I'm going to show you what to do if your laptop doesn't want to turn on. So first of all, make sure that your laptop isn't discharged, and if it is, or if you suspect that it is, then plug in the charging cable into your charging port on the left side, and make sure that the power indicator is lit up. Then power your PC on by pressing the power button that is located in the top right corner of your keyboard, and wait until your device turns on. If it doesn't turn on, then maybe let it rest for a while and charge, or if your laptop was exposed to extremely hot or cold temperatures, then let it rest for at least 2 hours, and sometimes up to 12 hours, depending on how hot or cold the temperature was that it was exposed to. Then only then input the charging cable inside, let your laptop charge, and turn it on and see if it powers up. Now, if your laptop wasn't exposed to neither to hot nor cold temperatures, then you should check your charging cable for visible damages, and also check your AC adapters and a charging port. Make sure that your charging cable and power adapter are original, and if they're not, then if you're using a substitute, that is still fine, as long as they provide your device with at least 65 watts of power. Also, make sure that you're not using a cheap substitute, because AC adapters from unreputable, unreliable sources may break your battery, and that's surely not what you want with your laptop. Now, if you've been through all of these steps and it still doesn't seem to work, then at this point I suggest that you contact Dell customer support service and tell them about your issue, or just contact the nearest repair center and let them take care of your device and probably replace your battery. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.